Well, I sent you the photographs. Cold start, hasn't been started for over a week. We'll get a bit of blue smoke when she suddenly starts up, and then give it a minute. That's finished, and you don't see any more smoke. Two keys, one for the electrics. That gives you your lights or whatever you want. And this is on the ignition. Bit of throttle. As you can see, first start cold, bit of blue smoke, and after that, that's the end of it. Burns very clean, starts very well. Got a new battery on it. And all I've used it for in 2 years is to drive that, which is our log splitter. So primarily that's all she's done. I'll jump back in the cab now. There we go. That's first gear. And then reverse. One thing to bear in mind, the brakes. The brakes are very good. This one comes on immediately. That one goes down that far. If I was a purist, I would say to adjust this one so they both come on together for the road use. Around the farm, perfectly adequate. Put her in neutral. That little fella there, that shuts off the back actor and will operate the PTO. So there we are. And the only quirk she's got on her, it shows no charge. But if you, when you've got her warm like she is now, and you take her up to top revs, now charging. So when you first start her, what you do find is that you've got no charge. Just give her 30 seconds, 45 seconds to get herself going, and then just touch the revs up to peak rev, drop it back, and it's now charging. It's also got here a foot throttle as well as the hand throttle. I'll give it a few revs now and let it settle down. So there she is. She's as straight as they come for her age. 1987. And as I say, I wouldn't attempt to be selling it in any way, shape or form if it wasn't for the simple fact that I need a front end loader. You've got a front end loader and I've got this, and this will do the same job for you, for your needs. 1987 against what I assume is 1965 for your Massey. You're coming up 22 years in age, which is madness. But at the end of the day, it does the job. I've painted her up in Massey colours, and the chassis I painted black, but don't get the wrong impression. This is a one coat blow over of black. It's done a good job. You know, it's all there. Looks tidy. But I haven't sandblasted it, and I haven't put 7 coats and lacquer on it. I've just given it one coat. But it has just tidied it up. As you can see, the back perspex or whatever glass is missing. But the rest of the cab is all very good. You've just got that little crack in the window, but it's been there since I've had it, and no problems. Anyway, I'll leave it to you. See what you think.